Alright, well, here goes. We are going to make a hot chocolate. It don't matter whatever brand you pick. I usually pick lactose or, what is it, 2% milk. But I mean, you can add milk. I've heard some people put water instead of milk. I mean, that's just up to you. So, I mean, the way I know is you just gotta, like, get the, what do you call it, the pan. You just basically, you could put it on the heat could be on any level you want. I mean, if you're gonna, like, be right next to the pot, you could have it like a medium flame maybe. If you're like close to it, then perhaps just low, because like if you don't want to like getting burned on the pot and all that. Well, now it's already ready, but like a little while ago, it was just the milk. I just let it boil for a bit. And then while the milk was boiling, I added these chocolate tablets. You add these tablets. Not tablets, okay? Um, and yeah, well, the spoon, in case anybody asks, I mean, the spoon's from Walmart. What else I got over here? So this one, I prefer this one to stir because, like, that way it helps it, so it doesn't, what do you call it? Scrape or, like, mess up the pot. But the one I prefer to, like, serve it, like, on a cup and whatnot, I prefer this one. So basically it's preferable, wooden or plastic. What is a utensil? And that's how you do a hot chocolate. I've heard also another way that, like, right after it's ready, the next step after this right here, you can always put it on the blender. But yes, you have to, like, really approach with big time caution, so you don't get hurt. But honestly, if you do put, after this step is done, if you do decide to put half of it in the blender, see, the cool part is that later it's gonna have like a little, it's gonna look like as if there's like foam on top of it, but it's uh, they call it in Spanish va a tener espuma, so it's gonna have like a little, I guess, piece. What do you, oh, I'm trying to think how you say it. Yeah. It's probably the time, that's true. Yeah, I do gotta sleep earlier than this. Alright, well, I'm working with what I got. And I might be making some in Spanish or just Spanglish. So, yeah, like, follow, share. Go for it if you want or not. I figured, do little quick recipes or even a little snack. That I'll probably do that later. But yeah, if you wanna, like, follow me, I'll be posting different stuff. It'll be quick recipes, van a ser recetas. O como ahorita es chocolate caliente, hot chocolate. One of your words of the day, hot chocolate, chocolate caliente. Leche, pues ya sabemos, es milk. But hey, basic what? Spanish, English, no biggie, but hey, you gotta start somewhere. Alright, well, take care, and I will think about it, yes or no, I'll post it, or just leave it for me. What's that? Huh. Does this turn around? No, I don't think it does. Oh, okay. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Let's kind of improvise there. Peace. Take care.